Hey guys, it's me again, and as you can tell, we're back in my garage. Outside. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a review of my Liftmaster 8365 garage door opener case. So I'll just be showing you all the features and things you can do. This is the original remote. It is in 893 LM. There you go. And I'm going to run this up using the remote. Here you go. It's pretty quiet. It's half horsepower. Okay. Stuff is annoying. We have a keypad. It's original as well. So this opener is not even a year old, okay? If you don't count the date of manufacture, it's not even a year old. Well, it has many years since it was put up, because it was put up around late April or early May. It was manufactured in February of last year, but so since manufacturing, it's a year old, about a little over. But yeah, so I guess I'll start with the wall control here. Can't need this. So wall control that comes with this is the model 882 LM. It's this one. So logically, you have this button to open and close it, and this, which turns the light on and off. Can't see it, but you can hear it there. So you can also flip this up, and you have a learn and lock button. So what lock does is if you press and hold it, it starts blinking. And that means that when you push your remote button, it won't work, but it will only lock out signals from the remote. Because see, if I push the button on the wall control, it does that. And I'm also going to show you from the outside here. Okay, if you try your keypad, here, the keypad also works. Okay. So basically it only locks out your remotes, which is a pretty useful feature if you're on vacation or you're just away for a little bit. And yeah, it's just very nice. So let's get this unlocked. Okay, so with the learn button here, you can program remotes, keypads, and whatnot. Okay, so all I have to do is hit the learn button once, hit it again, and then it blinks again, and all you have to do is push the remote button, and then it flashes. It's that simple to program your remote using this. Now, other features you can do to change, there's an entry sensor that if it's open, the lights are off and you walk through the sensor beam, it'll turn on. If you press and hold this for 10 seconds, that'll turn that off. If you want to change the time the lights stay on, you press and hold this. And there's also a service feature, so if you need service, it's going to flash back and forth the yellow and red LEDs. To activate it, press and hold learn, then press light. You notice that flashes, that's active. That's deactivated. Okay, so it's really neat. That's pretty much all there is to the wall control. So I'm going to show you on the opener. Let me just get the lights here. So I'm going to have to set the camera down to open the lights. So bear with me, guys. So we have our learn button and stuff up there. Okay, travel buttons. It's just where I find the travel. I won't show you how to program travel in this video, but in a different video. To program your remote using this button, you gotta hit it once. Okay. Grab your remote, push the button, and it flashes, and it's then programmed. So, very simple to program it that way as well. Now, I'm going to show you the release, emergency release on this. Okay, so you'll notice, let me move this back some. Okay, so you see the trolley up there. Okay, and that spring is forward. If I give this a yank here, now it's disengaged. Okay? If you want the lockout, there's a lockout feature also that if you pull back, maybe. 1 minute. You gotta kind of pull down and back. Maybe. Bear with me, guys, it's kind of hard to do. There we go. So you notice it's kind of out like that. That means it's in lockout. So that means if I hit the remote, it just passes right through. Okay? If you want it reconnected, so now you can just lift it up and down as you need it. To reconnect, to disengage this feature, you just pull it straight down. And now it's going to re-engage when I push the button. So that's a very nice feature. Okay, the manual release. And another cool thing. So I showed you the up and down programming buttons. It shows diagnostics. Okay, just to tell you about that. And I'm also going to show you how you would program your keypad using the learn button on the opener and with, well, you know what, actually, yeah, with the learn button on the opener and with the wall control. So, got this here. Okay, so all I gotta do, press learn once, maybe, press learn again, and you come to your keypad, there's your code, push enter, now it flashed. That's how you program it with the wall console. If you don't have control like this, it's another way. Is again using the learn button. I'm not going to go back and turn the light off. Okay. So what you gotta do, the button. We have 30 seconds to come over here, enter code, and hit enter. So it's very simple. Okay, only got about 30 seconds left. This camera has a limit on about 10 minutes. So I'm going to run this back down one more time, and then that will be it. Okay, it's been kind of a slow year with videos, guys. Haven't taken a single one except for this one, but I got 5 seconds, so thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.